On Tribal Unity Cotu today sends out strong warning against Union Home Minister's direction to allow free movement along national highways in Manipur. Cotu asserted that no free movement shall be permitted in Kuki-Zo land until a solution that satisfies the determination of Kuki-Zo community is reached and until their demand for separate administration is fulfilled. Secretary of Cotu Laminlun Singsit said this on the sideline of 22nd Remembrance Day, which was observed at Martyrs Cemetery, Paijang Sadar Hills in Kangpopi district. Speaking further, Laminlun Singsit said that Kuki people will not rest nor falter or surrender until separate administration is achieved, no matter the cost. He maintained that their fight for separate administration will be relentless and that Cotu will mobilize, protest and resist with every democratic means. Additionally, he also asserted that no individual shall place self-interest above the collective cause and that any betrayal in favor of the government shall be considered an act of treachery against Kuki-Zo people. He further demanded Manipur governor to retract his statement against separate administration. Additionally, Lanmilun Singsit also warned that DC and SP shall bear full responsibility for the consequences if any Kuki-Zo volunteer are arrested, while announcing that they will not negotiate or compromise until their demand for separate administration is met. It may be mentioned that the strongly worded statement of Cotu came amidst Manipur governor's call for surrender of weapons and days after Union Home Minister Amit Shah ordered for resumption of free movement of people along national highways in the state from March 8.
We shall not rest, we shall not falter, and we shall not surrender until separate administration is achieved. This is our destiny, and we will carve our own path toward it, no matter the cost. No free movement shall be permitted in the Kuki-Zo land until a solution that respects our rights and aspiration is reached. Our land, our rules. Fight for separate administration will be relentless. We will mobilize, protest, and resist with every democratic means at our disposal. Nothing will deter us. The Manipur government must retract his statement against separate administration. His meeting with Arambai Temple does not determine our fate. The Kuki-Zo people will decide their own future. Number 6.